set up in my spot. We have about 35 minutes before legal shooting line, so we get to sit here for a little while. I did not travel that far from the truck because we have showers and thunderstorms popping up all over our area, and I don't mind sitting through some rain, but in the event of a thunderstorm popping up, I can grab my stuff real quick and be back in the truck in a few minutes. So hopefully that doesn't happen, but you never know. They're very scattered right now. Like I said, it's November the 30th. It's at the very end. We're almost to December. And to be honest with you, I would be duck hunting this morning if we weren't in the break right now. Kicks back up Saturday, so I haven't deer hunted in a little bit, in a couple weeks, so we'll see what happens. We shall see. He's got tines busted off on his right side, and then his whole left side's pretty much gone except for part of his main beam. It's been a long season for him. Stop him. Hey! 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 Oh my gosh. Now we're gonna go see if we can find him. I was sitting right there in that hole. I saw he's right down here. Hope he didn't go too far. lose this backpack. Take my gun with me just in case. I'm gonna keep following the blood trail now. Give you guys an update in a second. Still have good blood. Bright red. Oh, I see him. He's right up in there. Now, Joe, he didn't go far, but these pine trees are so thick, it seems like I've been tracking forever. Really, in reality, he went maybe 50 yards. Oh yeah, there he lay. GoPro went dead, but we found him. Good blood all the way. He didn't go far. It just, these pine trees are so thick. Seems like I've been trailing forever, but he only went maybe 50 yards. He's laying right up here. Definitely a buck that needed to be shot again. Kind of similar to the other buck I shot in my bow. Not a giant, but definitely a deer that needs to be shot. That's not broken. I mean, that's just, I mean, he just doesn't have very good genetics. He's technically an 8-point. He's good and wide. I don't know how wide that is. Maybe, I say good and wide. For his rack not to be much, he's 15.5 or so inches wide. Man, yeah, get it all in the frame. But, thanks, buddy. Good times. So I need to go ahead before I move him and log in to the app and report the harvest, and then I'll drag him out of here and we'll get some pictures of him. Here he is, guys. Got him drug out. We're all tagged up and everything's legal. Again, not a monster by any means, but a deer I'm thankful for. And yeah, definitely one that has some pretty poor genetics, and one of those you don't mind filling a tag on. And I mean, this does it for me for the deer season. I mean, technically I would have tags left, but at this point I'm done deer hunting. I may take the boys out another trip or two, but yeah, it's been a great deer season. Like I said, we have a freezer full of meat. I'm going to share this one with some others, and so I appreciate you guys watching. And if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, go ahead and do that. It means a lot to us. We don't do this to try to get famous or get 1 million subscribers. Really, it's just creating memories, and we like to share it with you guys. And so if you like this video, leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and appreciate you guys watching. Get ready, because coming up pretty soon we'll get hopefully some good duck and geese hunting action. That's what we like to do, and kind of deer season is either we've had enough deer season or we've been very successful. And so this year it's that we've been successful, and we thank God for that. It's all Him, it's not us. You know, every animal we get is a gift from God. He's providing for us and our family, and so, you know, we don't take it for granted. We don't taking the life of an animal easy. We understand that
This is life is sacred, but God has given us these animals to sustain us and use as provisions, and so that's what we do, and we're thankful to Him for it. But this old boy is going to take a ride in the truck home with me, and we'll get him taken care of, and say, well, we're going to share it with some friends and family, and that don't get to get out and hunt like we do. So appreciate you guys again watching, and come back for the next episode. Probably be duck hunting or something, maybe pigs, coyotes, I'm not sure, but we'll see. Thank you.